We want to have the most valid and thorough information available for our clients, for our investors, for the industry professionals, and for our banking team itself.
We want to deliver a strong financial return to our investors as a venture capital fund. But secondly, and almost as important, we really are focused on building strategic value.
I think what sets us apart is really the passion that we have for the industry.
Ziegler Financial Services is providing funding for some of the most ambitious senior living projects and healthcare institutions across the country. Phenomenal growth made possible by a company that prides itself on creating genuine value proposition and proprietary research data for its multitude of clients who, quite simply, trust the Ziegler way.
In 1902, B.C. Ben Ziegler started an insurance business in West Bend, Wisconsin, making loans to farmers. Today, Ziegler continues the tradition of partnering with our communities by serving institutions and businesses nationwide. Specializing in the healthcare, senior living, and education sectors, Ziegler uses research and experience to customize creative, tailored solutions that meet clients' strategic and financial goals.
Not everyone wants to do senior living and care, not everyone wants to do healthcare. And a lot of people are motivated to participate in those sectors because we're doing good by doing our work and doing it well into all of those sectors.
What Ziegler brings to the table is a rich heritage grounded in integrity, teamwork, and innovation. It has issued over $24 billion of new debt since 2000, making Ziegler a recognized leader in tax-exempt, not-for-profit underwritings. In recent years, Ziegler has expanded its focus on the for-profit sector, offering M&A advisory, debt, and equity products.
Certainly our clients benefit from what we do, trying to provide them with the lowest cost of capital, but that in turn drives down to the residents as well. Our operating partners can provide quality care that ultimately impacts everyone that's connected with the communities that they serve.
We like it when, at the end of the day, it's a good transaction for everyone and makes sense for everyone. If we have a seller that's achieved their objectives and a buyer that's excited about taking on the opportunity and carrying on that legacy and going forward, that's wonderful.
Understanding trends and operational challenges gives Ziegler a unique perspective in structuring capital solutions.
If we can structure credit and capital stacks in a way that provides the lowest cost of capital to our clients, then the clients can use that additional cash flow to drive quality and training in their communities. So we really want to be known as the investment bank that helps drive quality of care, that helps drive new initiatives in the industry, that helps drive new research.
One of the key values that we feel Ziegler brings to the table is that strategic decision making, and the data and the information and trends data that we provide absolutely supports that strategic investment and those significant decisions that organizations and individuals are making.
From the beginning, Ziegler has been in business to generate a positive impact on the communities they serve. They further this mission by helping companies build technologies and services that will shape the future of healthcare and aging and support the delivery of quality care through creative capital solutions through the Ziegler Linkage Funds.
We want to deliver a strong financial return to our investors as a venture capital fund. But secondly, and almost as important, we really are focused on building strategic value. And we look at that amongst a couple different constituencies. Amongst our investor base, which is predominantly senior living and care providers, we want to deliver them a great financial return, but they're also really interested in keeping their finger on the pulse of innovation in senior living and care.
Ziegler takes a true advisory approach into their engagements and long-term relationships.
We want to have the most valid and thorough information available for our clients, for our investors, for the industry professionals, and for our banking team itself. That has lent itself well as we've grown in the for-profit marketplace, for-profit senior living, which is the private sector, to bring those same principles over around research and education and high-quality information to make decisions around.
A lot of different venture capital funds will come out and they'll say, we're going to provide you with strategic capital. But we at the Ziegler Linkage Funds actually are able to deliver on that promise. And so we spend a lot of time time, really thoughtfully connecting our investors with portfolio companies.
We've been around for 119 years. We expect to be here for some time and play an influential role in the senior housing and care space with our Argentum partners and our folks on the skilled nursing side. We want to be unique, we want to be thought leaders, and we want to use research to guide our efforts.
Senior living communities today can't stand still. They have to be part of larger networks and provide capabilities that not only appeal to consumers but also manage costs. Whether they are for-profit or not-for-profit entities, they must have a financial partner with their best interest at heart and smart, data-driven strategies to remain viable. That's Ziegler Investment Banking.